Samsung's aim to get a larger market share and stronger foothold in the online segment has resulted in the Galaxy M series. Today, let's unbox the first two models here, the M10 and M20, and see what Samsung has in store and also give away 5 M20s. Hey guys, Ash here from C4eTech and let's get started. If you do end up liking this video, please don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So now before we start, what do you think about this new M series? Do you feel like this is a step in the right direction for Samsung? Let me know in the comments below. Since both boxes have similar contents, I decided to do a simultaneous unboxing. So let's get the wrap off first and now remove the stickers. Opening up the box, we first get some of the regular leaflets, the warranty card, etc. That's followed by the phone itself. Let's remove the protective plastic, take the phone out, remove the IMEI sticker and set it aside for a moment. We then get a 5-watt charger for the M10, a 15-watt charger for the M20, that's followed by a micro USB cable for the M10, a Type-C cable for the M20, and then a SIM ejector tool. So these two phones share the same design language. They have similar glossy plastic backs, dual cameras, dedicated support for micro SD, and they both sport what Samsung's calling Infinity V panels. That said, there are some differences. Like we already saw, the M10 sports a micro USB port while the M20 has USB Type-C. The speaker placements are different too, and of course the display, 6.22-inch HD Plus on the M10, 6.3-inch Full HD Plus on the M20. While not AMOLED, these panels are still good. The M10 also lacks a fingerprint scanner. Now from a build and design standpoint, given the pricing of these devices, there's not much to complain about. They feel sleek and sturdy. The minimal bezels to the front coupled with those Infinity V panels make the phone look attractive. As for the back, if you like a glossy finish, you should be good with this design. Underneath the hood, the M10 sports the Exynos 7870 that we've seen so many times in the past, but there is a silver lining. Based on my conversation with Samsung, I understand that this phone should be launching in at around 8,000 rupees. The Exynos 7870 is similar in performance to the Snapdragon 625, so when you take the price into account, it might not be all that bad. So the M10 has an Exynos 7870, 2 or 3 gigs of RAM, 16 or 32 gigs of storage, all backed up by a 3400 mAh battery. The M20, on the other hand, has the new Exynos 7904 with 3 or 4 gigs of RAM, 32 or 64 gigs of storage, backed up by a whopping 5000 mAh battery. The Exynos 7904 is one of Samsung's newest chips. This has 2 high-performance Cortex-A73 cores to go along with 6 power-efficient A53 cores. It's expected to perform close to the 636. Will it? That's a question only further testing can clear up, so hold on for my full review. On the software side of things, both phones are running on Samsung Experience 9.5 built on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. I wish Samsung could have debuted One UI here, or at least a Pi build of Samsung Experience. Anyway, haptic feedback's disabled, but the auto brightness sensor makes it here and there's not a lot of bloat included. The user experience feels reasonably fluid. As for the cameras, both these phones have a similar rear camera setup, a primary 13-megapixel f1.9 coupled with a 5-megapixel f2.2 wide-angle camera. The samples you're seeing were shot with these phones. How do you think they fare? Let me know in the comments below. The selfie camera is 8 megapixels on the M20, 5 megapixels on the M10. Now with that, we get to the end of this video. The M10 is expected to be priced, like I said, at 8,000 rupees, while the M20 is expected to come in around the 12,000-13,000 rupee mark. Now at these prices, these phones definitely feel competitive, especially the M20. Now this comes with the new Exynos 7904, a 5000 mAh battery, 15-watt charging, Type-C. In this segment, it seems to be a strong offering from Samsung. I really wish the M10 got at least 10-watt charging and a fingerprint scanner. Anyway, I'll have more for you in my full review, which should be coming soon. So I guess that's pretty much it for this unboxing, and now let's get to the giveaway. So I'm working with Samsung on giving away 5 M20 phones. Now this is an India only giveaway since I'm working with Samsung India. It runs from today the 28th of January till the 9th of February 2019. The winners will be announced on the 11th of February 2019 via Twitter and YouTube community post. And of course, if you missed both, you can still use the same link you used to enter to check out the winners. So how do you enter? Same as always, just head on over to that link in the description below. Ensure that you're subscribed to C4E Tech, and that's pretty much it. There are some self-explanatory optional entries that you can add to further improve your chances, but it's pretty simple. So go on, share this video with friends and family if you can. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you felt about it. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.